In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add crypto on MetaTrader 5. If you're new to MetaTrader 5 or you've just started trading cryptocurrencies, this will help you get your crypto charts and symbols set up so you can actually start analyzing and placing trades. We'll keep things simple and go through it step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open MetaTrader 5 and look for the Market Watch window. This is usually on the left-hand side of your platform and shows a list of trading instruments like currency pairs, indices, and sometimes crypto. If you don't see MarketWatch, you can usually enable it from the View menu at the top of the platform. Just make sure that MarketWatch is visible before moving on. Once you have the MarketWatch window open, you'll need to add a new symbol. Inside MarketWatch, look for an option to add or show more symbols. Depending on your version, this might be a plus icon, an add button, or a right-click menu where you can select something like symbols or add instrument. Click on that option to open the list of all available assets provided by your broker. Now you'll see a window or list where you can search for specific instruments. This is where you'll add your crypto. Click into the search or input field and start typing the name of the cryptocurrency you want to add. For example, you might type Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, or the specific symbol your broker uses. As you type, matching results should appear in the list below. When you see the crypto symbol you're looking for, make sure it's highlighted or selected. This tells MetaTrader 5 which instrument you want to add to your MarketWatch window. Double check that you've chosen the correct one, especially if there are multiple variants from different exchanges or in different formats. After you've typed in the crypto name and selected the correct symbol, simply press Enter on your keyboard. This confirms your choice and adds that crypto instrument to your MarketWatch list. You should now see it appear among your other trading symbols. From here, you can right-click on the new crypto symbol to open a chart, view its specifications, or start placing trades depending on what your broker allows. If you want to add more cryptos, just repeat the same process. Open the Add Symbols window, type the name, and press Enter. And that's all you need to do to add crypto on MetaTrader 5.